Hey guys, welcome to the Animal Impressions Challenge.
Wow, we suck already.
Let's get going.
Okay, so first impression is a giraffe.
What the hell does a giraffe sound like?
If you don't know what a giraffe sounds like, you can make up a name and we'll judge if it's okay.
I can make up a sound of a giraffe. That was really good donkey. Wait, they're really good.
You have to tell me. Sorry. So you choose an animal for me to make an impression of.
A goat? How am I supposed to?
Wait. A goat? A goat?
A goat.
Ah!
Ow.
Screaming
Someone's
goat.
gonna be like, someone got murdered.
Okay.
I was gonna come over and be like, you're a suspect.
Okay, so since it's Gina's turn, Tabby, give her impression.
Gina, make a dog noise. Come on, make a dog noise. Oh, you're freaking anime.
Thank you.
No.
No, don't put that on.
We're gonna have that as background music. Okay, so your impression is gonna be a cow.
Some of my people.
Yes.
No.
This was like, moo, moo.
Your lips just went
Cow,
upward.
cow
and then,
over
like,
the moon.
Okay. Gina, tell me mine.
Extra.
Extra plus all
the
day.
light's so bright.
I can't turn it off right now.
I know. Shoot. A fish? Oh. Kind of noise.
Blub, 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 blub.
I don't know.
Okay, so that's my blub, 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 blub.
Fair enough.
Alright, make the sound of a chicken.
I don't know.
Brack, bracket.
Okay, so Tabby, make the sound of a turtle.
The crap's a
Ooh, there's a video, I think it was from Facebook that Cameron showed me. It's like,
Do you know what that is?
yeah, I know what that is. It makes that kind of noise.
Yeah.
How's your day?
Oh god, hi.
So tell me mine.
That was quick.
Too hard.
My range isn't animals. A lion, I don't know.
Roar.
What? That's such a
Sassy.
lame.
Wow, that was
Sassy lion.
It was like,
Roar.
lazily thought.
Oh my gosh.
I can't do
So
it.
dated.
One bright light. Thank you.
Oh wait, no, we gotta tell
Come on.
Gina. It's your turn.
Gina, make a.
Something that doesn't have to like kill my eyes.
Okay, make a. What kind of noise should I tell you to make?
Exactly. See my problem?
Gina, I covered the light.
Okay, good.
Make a.
Sorry.
Surprise attack.
That will, make a zebra noise.
What the crap does a zebra
Oh,
sound
those are
like?
funny.
Those are funny. Have you ever heard Jin laugh?
She doesn't know
Oh,
BTS.
snap, you're right. I don't know BTS too much, alright?
Okay.
I can do it. Zebra.
I can do that.
No, a zebra impression. The only thing I can do is like, whoa.
You want me to do?
Was that yours? Bowl.
Yeah, that actually was. That's your goal.
Okay, so that's hers.
Bam, that's a zebra.
Do a zebra.
Because I'm terrible.
Here, have this egg.
Yours
Zebra is like.
It's like really high pitched.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
I never heard a zebra speak, okay? Or whatever.
I've never heard a zebra speak either.
Speak,
Let's be real.
Okay, Gina.
Noise.
Gina, tell me mine. And then we gotta end.
I'm trying to go correct. I don't know. That's the problem. I'm not sure. Why me?
Because it's your turn.
Okay, Tabby, give me one.
Yeah, exactly.
Make a bear noise.
It's a baby panda.
It's a baby.
It's a baby panda.